If you have visited any DVD qualified skin doctors for any skin diseases, some diseases have no proper medicines, so they will prescribe 2 or more tubes, and may ask you to mix them in a particular proportion, and you get a new product, and apply it on the skin. Excel is also same like this. Some civic action or result have no formulas, at that time use multi-formulas in a cell for that result. Hello viewers. I have the immense pleasure to welcome you all to the new episode. At the last 2 episodes we have discussed the topic regarding the check register, its functions, features and its input area. If anyone missed the opportunity to see the first 2 parts, please find the link below and try to watch it, or else you may lose the continuity of the series. Today I am going to present you all how to make or create the check register dashboard in this Excel sheet. To make a dashboard, we need to have a good background on the dashboard first. For that, what you have to do is just go to the menu bar and click Page Layout, then go to Page Setup area and click Background option. There, you get 3 options. You can opt any of these as per your comfort or liking. First one is to insert the picture from your PC. Second one is for the direct search from the internet. And the final one to insert from your online drive, like Google Drive. Here what I am going to do is, I like to choose the second option, OK, and I type black here, OK. Now you get more pictures, OK. I select this one, and click Insert button. Next what we have to do is to remove the grid lines. For that go to View menu in menu bar, see the checkbox and just remove the tick. Then, let's select the first 2 rows from A to G, and merge the whole cells and resize the second row. Then, select the third row and merge from A to G. Then, select the whole merged cells, and click right button on your mouse and choose the cell format. Then, you will get Format Cell menu. There you have to select the Fill option. Then, click the More Colors, and choose Custom menu. Just enter 0 in red, 10 in green and 0 in blue respectively, and enter OK. Then, go to the Pattern Color option, and select Second Black from the bottom. Then, select Pattern Style, and select the grid one from the given choice. And enter OK. Then, here just enter the name Check Register. Then, change the text color. Set the alignment, change the font size to 40. And change the font style to Calibri Light, and set bold. Then, just enter the company name ABC Company Private Limited. Change the font color, set bold and change size to 12. Our next step is to create first output area, so we need to select the range, from B8 to D11, apparently give white color, and full border to the full range. After that, merge 3 cells in first row, and merge first 2 cells in the second row, and drag second cells to others. Now give thick outside border to first row. Just copy this data, and paste it out here. Then just go first blank sheet, then select and copy this data and here paste link. Now enter your first bank name. Here I just enter Dhanlakshmi Bank. OK. Our next step is to select the last row from the range, click the right button, and choose the Format Cells. You will get a cell format menu. There you have to select the Fill option. After that click Fill Effects. Click More Colors in Color 1 option, and choose Custom menu. It will be good to enter 0 in red, 0 in blue, and 51 green respectively. Then, go to the Color 2 option, and select third green from the bottom in Theme Colors, and select the diagonal down from Shading Style area, and enter OK. Now, select the second last row from the range, click right button on, and choose the Format Cells. You will get a cell format menu. There you have to select the Fill option. Then click Fill Effects. Select first Red in standard colors from Color 1 option. Then, go to the Color 2 option, and click More Colors in Color 2 option, and choose Custom menu. Just enter 255 in red, 49 in green, and 49 in blue respectively, and select the diagonal up from Shading Style area, and enter OK. Select the third row from the range, click right button, and choose the Format Cells. You will get a cell format menu. There you have to select the Fill option. Then click Fill Effects. Select first yellow in standard colors from Color 1 option. Then, go to the Color 2 option and select second yellow from the top in Theme Colors. And select the diagonal down from Shading Style area. And enter OK. Then, select the second row from the range, click right button, and choose the Format Cells. You will get a cell format menu. There you have to select the Fill option. Then click Fill Effects. Click More Colors in Color 1 option, and choose Custom menu. Just enter 255 in red, 255 inches in blue respectively, and 153 in green. Then go to the Color 2 option, and click More Colors in Color 2 option, and choose Custom menu. Just enter 255 in red, and 199 in green, and 206 in blue. And select the diagonal down from Shading Style area, and enter OK. Then, select the first row from the range, click right button on and choose the Format Cells. You will get a cell format menu. There you have to select the Fill option. Then, click Fill Effects. Select last color in standard colors from Color 1 option. Then, go to the Color 2 option, and click More Colors in Color 2 option, and choose Custom menu. Just enter 255 in red and blue respectively, and 153 in green, and select the diagonal down from Shading Style area, and enter OK. And just change font color in white. Then, just select B9 to D12 from the range, and put thick border in select range. And set bold, and set the alignment. Here just complete the Dhanlakshmi Bank output. You just try this like for other banks. OK. Here, I just copy the SBI, HDFC, and Axis Bank output, and paste here. The next step is to add the logo into each bank. So just go to the Insert menu. There you get 3 options. You can opt any of these as per your liking. First one is to insert the picture from your PC. Second one is for the direct search from the internet. And the final one is to insert from your online drive like Google Drive. The logos are already inserted in the dashboard. So, I just copy and paste it here. And just adjust the alignment. OK. Now the first output area in your dashboard is completed. Hope you are all following these steps. Now we can start to make second output area. For that initially we need to have an attractive button. Let's check how to create an attractive 3D button. Just go to Insert menu, and click Shapes, and then select this rounded rectangle shape. Just drag it here. And just change the shape style. Then, click Shape Effects, and click Glow, and this one select from Glow Variations, and finally, click the right button, and select the Edit Text. Then enter the button name. I just enter here Refresh. Just select the shape again. Then, set font alignment, resize to 14, and set bold. Now click the right button, and select the Format Shape, and click Effects option in the Format Shape. Click 3D Format option. Select last one in top level. Select first one in bottom level. Select Dark Edge from Material, and finally select the Flat from Lighting and close the Format Shape menu. Just select the shape again and resize the shape. OK, now the 3D button is ready. Then, just make a table like this in your dashboard. I just copy this and paste here, and clear the output cells. Next step is to put color in this table like this. Then select the full table. Click right button, and choose the Format Cells. You will get a cell format menu. There you have to select the Fill option. Then click Fill Effects. Select this last gray color in Theme Colors from Color 1 option. Then go to the Color 2 option, and select third gray colors from bottom in Color 2 option. And select the diagonal down from Shading Style area, and enter OK. Then copy this table and paste into each bank under. And clear the output result cells. And copy the button, and paste into each bank under. Select all button and set alignment. Now the tables and the 3D buttons are finished for each bank at the second output area. Now let's check how to list the data here. First you need to make a subsheet for each bank. I have created here one already, and I just unhide the HDFC bank subsheet, name as HDFC 1. Here you can see this table. You just create like this first. This cell is for the missed check counts. This cell is for the first issued check in this bank. This is for the last issued check number in this bank. This column for the checkbook name. This column for the first check numbers in each checkbook. This column for the last check numbers in each checkbook. This column for the number of check leaf issue in each book, and the last column for the last number from issue check in each book. This selected areas data are listed by direct link from main bank sheet. Just copy this and paste its link here. Other cell data listing in this table. Then we need complete second table first. The F column data also from main bank sheet. Just go into the main bank sheet. I just copy this and paste the link here and drag to other cells. Second column for pick the data from first column without zero. I just zoom here. Here you can see the formula is equals if F1 equals 0, then blank, otherwise F1 value. Then drag to other cells. Now you can see the data listed without 0 in this column. Then the third column for find the check, in which checkbook. Here use the multi-formula, if error, and lookup. If error for removing error and lookup for listing book name. The formula is equals, if error, open bracket, lookup, open bracket, 2,1, slash, open bracket enter the range first check number B8 to B17. less than or equals G1, close bracket, slash open bracket, enter the range last check number C8 to C17. Greater than or equals G1, close bracket, comma, enter the range checkbook name A8 to A17, close bracket, comma, 2 double quotation mark, and close the bracket. Now you can get the checkbook name, then drag to other cells. Next column for listing check number, from first number to last issue number for each checkbook, at ascending order. That mean, if the issued first check number is 57, and the last issue check number is 69, then here list from 57 to 69. The check number listed here based on first and last issued check number from each checkbook. Here use VBA program, I will explain in last. Then, this column for check the listed check number in column J, is missed or not. Here also used multi-formula. Equals if open bracket, count if open bracket, and check in column G, the value of J1, close bracket, then OK otherwise missing close bracket. If the cell J1 have in the range G column, then show OK, otherwise missing. Then drag to other cell. Now you can see the result. Then this column for listing the missed check number. The formula is equals if open bracket, K1 equals missing, then J1, otherwise blank, close the bracket. Then drag to other cell. Now you can see here, the listed missing check numbers. Then this column for pick the data from column L, without zero values. The formula is equals if open bracket, L1 equals 0, then blank, otherwise L1, close the bracket. Then drag to other cells. Here you can see the same data listed, from the column L, but excluding 0. Then, the next column for sorting the number small to big. Just see the formula equals small open bracket, select range column M, comma rows open bracket, enter M1 with dollar, to M1 without dollar close bracket. Then drag to other cell. Just see this cell equation, here M2, and this one is M3, and this one is M4, OK. OK. The last column for pick the data from column N without error. Just see the equation equals if error, open bracket N1, comma then blank, close the bracket. Then drag to other cells. Now you can see here, listed the missing check numbers in ascending order, without error cell. Now this table is fully completed, and let's go to first table. Here this cell for the count the missed checks. Just see the equation equals count open bracket, and select column O, and close bracket. This equation for count the non-blank cell, in column O. O column is the list of missed check numbers. This cell for list the first check, in this bank. Just see the formula, equals min, open bracket, and select column G, then close bracket. It's for find the small value in column G. This cell for list the check number, which one is issued last. Just see the formula, equals max, open bracket, and select column F, and close the bracket. It's for find the big value in column F. Here you can also choose the range column G. Then, just copy the cells, and paste the link here. Then, let's check the last column in first table. This column for list the last issue check from each checkbook. Just see the equation equals max open bracket, if open bracket select the range from I1 to I2252, that mean, select the column of checkbook name from second table, equals A8, comma select the range from G1 to G2252, that mean, select the column of check number, close bracket. After type this equation just enter Control key plus, Shift key plus, Enter key, and drag to each cell. Then the last, let's check the second last column from first table. This column for find how much leaf used in each checkbook. Just see the equation, equals if open bracket B8 equals 0 then 0, otherwise if open triple bracket T8 minus B8 close bracket plus 1 close bracket less than 0, then 0, otherwise open double bracket T8 minus B8 close bracket plus 1 and close triple bracket. Here used multi-if equations. If B8 is 0 then the result also 0, otherwise E8, B8 plus 1 less than 0, then 0 otherwise E8, B8 plus 1, and drag to each cell. Now we are almost complete the second output area. I think the video has exceeded the time limit. So we will discuss the VBA code and the analog meter in the next episode. For the time being I am just winding off. Till we meet next time. Goodbye.